What's the meaning of baneful? Baneful. Baneful.
Baneful. Baneful. The word baneful is an adjective used to describe something that is harmful, destructive or poisonous. It derives from the Old English word bane, which means death or destruction. When we say that something is baneful, we are suggesting that it can cause serious harm or negative consequences. For example, a baneful substance could be a toxic chemical that poses a threat to human health, or a baneful ideology could be a destructive belief system that leads to conflict and suffering. In literature, baneful characters or events often serve as antagonists that bring about tragic endings or downfall.